Hello everyone. In this video, we will see the process of integrating third-party accounting software database with Saral GST for automating the process of e-invoice generation. Database integration or DB integration is a customized process in Saral GST where the details required for e-invoicing will be automatically taken from the database of any third-party accounting software and is uploaded to IRP website. After uploading, the JSON file will auto download to the defined path from where the PDF copy of the signed invoice can be generated. Before going for integration settings in Saral GST, ensure that the database of your accounting software is synchronized with Saral GST database. The database that can be integrated are MS SQL, Oracle, and PostgreSQL. Note: this customization is done by Relion Customer Support. Please contact us for more details on integration. After the integration process is completed in background, go to e-invoice menu and select on Settings under ERP SAP Integration. Here, click on Enable Auto Syncing for e-invoicing and enter the duration for auto sync. Next, select SQLDB Data Integration. For settings, enter the DB instance name, login credentials for DB, and DB name from where the e-invoicing details have to be fetched. After entering the details, save and the synchronization process will begin. The last sync time stamp will be shown at the left bottom of the window. After upload, the downloaded JSON file will be made available in the defined path. To view and print the downloaded invoices, go to View Upload under e-invoice. Here, select the date range and all the invoices uploaded will be displayed. To print the e-invoice, click on Print and the PDF copy of the e-invoice will be generated. To view the imported sequence details, go to e-invoice menu and select on Imported Log under ERP SAP Integration. Here, one can see the synchronization log with respect to invoices imported, invoices which failed to be imported, uploaded invoices, and invoices that failed to be uploaded. In case of failure, the error message will be displayed. This can be rectified in the accounting software for proper upload. This completes database integration in Saral GST for e-invoicing. If you have any questions, ask them in the comment section below and make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such videos. Thank you.